Ever tried to top up your GrabPay wallet with a credit card only to see an unexpected fee pop up? You're not alone. For many of us, GrabPay has become an essential part of our daily lives, making everything from rides to food deliveries incredibly convenient. But with that convenience often comes the question of cost. Specifically, how much does GrabPay charge to top up your credit cards, and what can you do about it? Let's dive right in. Historically, topping up your GrabPay wallet with a credit card was often free, a sweet deal that allowed many to earn credit card rewards on their Grab spending. However, things have changed, and e-wallets, including GrabPay, have begun to implement fees for credit card top-ups. This is largely due to the processing fees that e-wallet providers themselves incur when accepting credit card payments. It's a significant cost that they've been absorbing, and now, many are passing a portion of that cost on to consumers. So, what's the current situation with GrabPay? As of recent updates, GrabPay has introduced a 1% convenience fee for most credit card top-ups. This applies to both domestic and foreign-issued credit cards. This means if you top up your GrabPay wallet with RM100 using a credit card, you'll effectively be charged RM101. That 1% might seem small, but it can add up, especially for frequent users or those topping up larger amounts. Now, you might be thinking, is there any way around this? And the good news is, yes, there are still ways to top up your GrabPay wallet without incurring this fee. The most notable exception to this 1% fee is the Maybank Grab MasterCard Platinum Credit Card. If you're a holder of this co-branded card, you can still top up your GrabPay wallet for free. This is a strategic move by Grab to encourage the use of their own co-branded financial products. Beyond the Maybank Grab MasterCard, GrabPay still offers several other top-up methods that are completely free of charge. These include debit cards. Topping up with your debit card remains a free option. This is a straightforward way to add funds without extra costs, as debit card transactions typically have lower processing fees for merchants. Bank transfers, direct bank transfers, whether through online banking or Do It Now, are also free. This method essentially bypasses the credit card network entirely, eliminating the associated processing fees. GX Bank. If you have a GX Bank account, a digital bank formed through a joint venture involving Grab, you can also top up your GrabPay wallet for free directly from your GX Bank account. This is another way Grab is integrating its financial ecosystem. It's important to be aware of these fees, as they can impact your budgeting and how you maximize your credit card rewards. While some credit cards offer cashback or points on e-wallet top-ups, the 1% GrabPay fee might sometimes negate those benefits or make them less attractive. Always do the math to see if the rewards outweigh the fee. The introduction of these fees by GrabPay is part of a broader trend among e-wallet providers. We've seen similar moves from other major e-wallets, like Touch 'n Go e-wallet and BigPay, who have also started charging fees for credit card top-ups. This indicates a shift in the e-wallet landscape as these platforms mature and look for ways to cover their operational costs. So, what's the takeaway? While convenience is king, being informed about the associated costs is crucial for smart financial management. If you're a heavy GrabPay user, consider diversifying your top-up methods. Explore using your debit card or bank transfers more often, or if it makes sense for your spending habits, look into getting the Maybank Grab MasterCard Platinum Credit Card to enjoy fee-free top-ups. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.